Okay, so for the TV, this is the remote. It's the only remote we have. So turn it on. Now, we don't have regular television. We have Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video. You can also push these buttons. And I believe we have CTV. We have CTV. So just select it and push OK. And then it'll pop up. We had a little cable box, but we lost connection to it. I think we were getting it for free for a while, and then it just stopped. So here's all your, and I think there's like a live. So there's all this. So that's easy. All right, and then so for Netflix, for Netflix, you can use, this is Will's, so that's Netflix Kids. So you can just go up, switch profiles, and you can use Will's profile or mine for the adult stuff. And then to go back, just hit the home button. And then for Disney Plus, you can use Will's profile, but Will's profile doesn't always have everything. Like it didn't have Moana, and it didn't have the Chipmunks movie. So use Mom Boss. So Patty and I split the Disney Plus, so it has all of our profiles. Just use mine, which is Mom Boss, and that has everything. Okay, I'm going to give that back to Will. Here you go, Will. You can have it. Okay, and then for the air conditioner, so we really just put the air on when it's super hot. The house stays relatively cool. So right now, it's off. So you just tap it to wake it up. And if you want to turn the air on, hit mode until it goes to cool. So there's cool, off. Tap it again, heat. You don't want heat. Cool. 20. Now we keep it at 22 because if you put it any lower than that, it never reaches that. It'll just keep running and running and running. So 20. We find that 22 is actually quite comfortable even for upstairs. So it says 23 degrees in the house. It's really actually quite comfortable. We do keep the windows open during the day and close them at night. So if it's too hot at night, you can always turn the air on. Feel free to turn the air on. If you feel that it's uncomfortable, turn the air out. I want you to be comfortable. So that locks the window. That unlocks the window. And then you just twist it open. Now our windows broke. Josh fixed them. So there we go. Sometimes they don't open up all the way, but they should. So we have that window. We have this light here. We don't have any overhead lights, so it's all lamps. So this light here is the brightest one. And then that lamp in the corner there is here. And that turns on that lamp there. Okay? And then we have the window over here. So that unlocks it, and then this opens it. This is a brand new window, so it should not be broken. Okay, and then the light for the dining room is here. It's hiding right there, see? Dining room. And then this other switch here is for the fan in the kitchen. That fan in the kitchen. Which is also here. So the kitchen light there, and then the dining room light there. We eat in this room, and then this is basically our catch-all, art projects, coloring, everything else is here. So Josh has all of these, and each one of these buttons turn something on. This is the on, this is the off. So it's kind of fun just to see like what turns what on. I think number 3 isn't connected to anything. And then these, he's got connected. I think he might want to give you a video tour of that later.